guys, Tahita here with Beauty and the Kinks. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Hopefully this dishwasher isn't too loud, but if y'all hear something in the background, that's what it is. I did want to start off this vlog. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Tahita. I am a compliance and audit analyst, and I'm also a content creator. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Definitely join the family by subscribing. If you've been an OG, what's up, what's good? Let me explain. So I have been trying to be very consistent. I've been pretty consistent over the last couple of months with getting content here on YouTube. And I don't want to stop that, but I was sick for like a week and a half, going on 2 weeks, and then I had a death in my family. So I haven't been vlogging, to say the least. With that being said, I do want to do like a day in the life weekend vlog type video today. Can't promise you that I'm gonna get into a lot because I'm still going through the, I won't even say the grieving stage, because this literally happened 2 days ago. You know, and I'm still recovering from being sick, so my energy is still not up to par, but I just wanted to start this off and set the expectation because I don't know what's going on. I should say I don't know what's going to go on, but just know that we're going to be running errands today because I haven't really done anything in about 2 weeks. Yeah, I haven't done much in about 2 weeks, so I'm going to go run my errands. I'm gonna do a pickup from Target. I'm gonna probably stop at Trader Joe's and get a couple things. I do want to plan out some meals though, because I don't want to go in every time I go into Trader Joe's I end up buying a whole bunch of stuff, and half the time I don't even cook it. So I just got done cleaning out my refrigerator, and I had a lot of zucchini and cucumbers that I just never used. So I'm gonna actually plan out the meals so that I can buy just what I need. And then later on I do have a laser appointment with Semper Laser. So we're gonna do that. And then we're probably gonna come back and just relax. Oh, I'm cleaning right now actually. So before I even leave the house, I can't tidy up my kitchen because I just have a lot going on. Since I just got done cleaning out my refrigerator, I have more dishes in my sink. The dishwasher is completely full and on. But I am gonna change the shower curtains in my bathroom, clean my bathroom. I'm probably going to do a quick tidy in my living room. That's usually like the easiest room to clean. I feel like I'm rambling, so let me just get started. Okay guys, so I am done cleaning, not for the day, but for now. I am deep cleaning my kitchen. I cleaned my bathroom. Why am I going in and out of focus? Why am I going in and out of focus? What's going on? Hold up. Okay, so yeah, I am done with the bathroom. I am pretty much done with my room. I just have some laundry I need to do, and that's probably going to be done tomorrow. And then, what else? What else do I have? I don't know. I'm about to go run my errands though. I'm about to go to Target, then I'm going to go to Trader Joe's, and then I don't need to go to the bank. I already got cash. So I'm going to come back, drop all that stuff off, and then head to my laser appointment. It's hot outside, and it's probably hot in here. I'm hot, so I'm like sweating. Anyways, let me get to going.